Hi, my name is Dennis Papernick. I'm a senior loan officer at Compass Mortgage, and today we're at one of Naperville's finest auto repair places, Clark's Car Care. Let's take a look.
Hi, my name is Matt Weber, and we're here at Clark's Car Care today. It's our 20th year here at Clark's Car Care. No job is too small. We do everything from engine oil changes up to engine replacements and experts in emissions. We have many different services we offer here, but what makes us stand out, especially in Naperville, is that we're one of the few independent shops that has loaner vehicles for customers. Customers can pick up the cars. There's no restriction on mileage. There's an iPass provided. They're clean. And as long as we have your car, it's a no-charge service from Clark's Car Care. When you're due for emissions, we fix the car right the first time, we guarantee it to pass, and we even take it over to the emissions testing station for you, so you don't have to wait in that 4-hour line sometimes. We have a digital inspection that we can show you pictures via email, text, or in person to show you exactly what's wrong with your vehicle. When you have the digital inspection, you can click what you want to have done, you can ask questions, we can give customers enough information so that they can make a decision about their car. And we have a touchless locker box outside of our door that the car can be picked up securely 24 hours a day. We also have one of the best warranties in town. Very few shops offer 3 years, 36,000 miles, no questions asked, across the country. The most rewarding part of my job after the past 20 years is having customers come back. I've been invited to graduations, weddings, customers coming in, giving us gifts and appreciation, just like we're very appreciative of them. I really love being involved with the community. Just recently, we donated a lot of oil changes over to Edwards Hospital. Free oil changes for many healthcare workers. That's the kind of stuff that keeps me going. We are a huge part of this program called CARES, where through the People's Resource Center in Naperville, we actually repair vehicles at our cost, if not sometimes out of our pocket. It's much like a food pantry where $1 feeds 3 families. Or with the CARE program, we can fix many cars for a fraction of the price. That program has just been wonderful. I absolutely love the employees that are here at Clark's Car Care. They are what really helps out the community. It's these guys here every day who make sure that your car is safe and fixed right the first time. Thank you for watching. If you're looking for a local, honest auto repair shop, please check out our reviews and see what we're all about.
Visit our website to learn more about Compass Mortgage and follow us on social media to see more community-driven content. See you next time.